Hello, my dear children. Today in our science class, we will be studying about making food. Children, plants are the most important part of our environment because plants make their own food. Things required by the plants to make their own food are carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, and chlorophyll. Children, carbon dioxide is a gas which plants take from the air. Water is obtained from the soil. Sunlight is taken from the sun. And you all know, chlorophyll is the green color in the leaves. It takes energy from the sunlight. The special method by which plants make their food is called photosynthesis. Children, photo means light and synthesis means putting things together. Children, the food made in the plants is glucose and oxygen gas is released as a waste product. So children, the oxygen gas which is given out by plants is used by humans and animals for breathing. They breathe out carbon dioxide. This way, there is balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the air. Let us study about the different parts of a leaf. Children, the different parts of a leaf are leaf blade, main vein and side veins. Leaf blade. It is the flat part of the leaf. It helps to trap sunlight. Main vein and side veins. They have tiny tubes inside them. Some tubes carry water and nutrients to the leaf, and some carry food from the leaves to different parts of the plant. Now let us study about stomata. The leaf has tiny openings called stomata. The leaf takes in carbon dioxide through these stomata. Carbon dioxide is used for photosynthesis. The oxygen which is made during photosynthesis goes out through the stomata. Children, sometimes the leaf has extra water. This becomes water vapor and it also goes out through the stomata. Leaf cells. Children, if you cut through a leaf and look at it under a microscope, you will see the leaf cells. These contain the chlorophyll. All living things, whether plants or animals, are made up of cells. Cells are very tiny and can only be seen through a microscope. Children, like we get energy from the food we eat, plants also get energy from the food they make. Branches grow longer, stems grow taller, and roots grow deeper. New leaves, flowers, and fruits grow. They also need energy to repair any part which gets damaged. Extra food is turned into starch and stored in different plant parts. For example, as a fruit, the starch is stored in mangoes. Example for starch stored in stem is sugarcane. For flower, it's cauliflower. For roots, it's carrot. Some new green plants. A fungi is similar to a plant but it has no chlorophyll. These plants cannot make their own food. Instead, they feed on the dead matter of plants and animals in the soil. Mushrooms, yeast, and molds are fungi. Yeast is a fungus used to make bread. The dough with yeast becomes light and fluffy to make soft bread. Mold is the fungus that mostly grows on food items. You must have seen a white or greenish cotton-like growth on stale bread. This is mold. It spoils the food. So children, I hope you all must have understood that how plants make their own food. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.